Hey it's Angeline here. Today I have a crafty video with Unity Stamp and I'm going to show you how to ink up your background stamps on craft paper. So I'm using this Hello Sunshine Girl, which I've already colored with some Copic markers, and it is so beautiful. I am obsessed. I love this Brutus Monroe floral tapestry background stamp as well, and I'm using this today to ink up my background. So I'm grabbing some inks here. You can grab whatever inks that you have, and I'm just mixing it all in. I love this Memento Luxe because the colors are so rich and it is great to show up on your craft paper. Just place your paper on your stamp and grab a piece of scrap paper to just smoosh all the ink into your card, and here it is. Look how pretty it is when all the colors are mixed together. Just place your girl and a sentiment on your card and you're done. It is that easy. I hope you love this technique today, and thanks for watching. Bye.